Hello, parents and community members. I'm Todd Timm, the District Administrator for the Hortonville Area School District. Wanted to just give you a brief update before we started the academic year. First, welcome you back to school, and to give you an update on some of the happenings in the school district. The Hortonville Area School District is a model professional learning community. We work collaboratively as a staff to ensure students learn at the highest level through shared instructional practices and continuous professional learning. We would like to thank Eric Larson from CISA 6, who worked with several of our buildings this summer on data analysis and data retreats. We are excited to celebrate positive learning outcomes and to identify areas of opportunity for future growth. There were teams that continued to build on professional learning during the summer months. We're thankful to teachers, our professional staff, and our support staff who continued their learning over the summer. The HASD admin team conducted retreats at Fox Valley Technical College to better understand the services the Technical College has to offer, as well as the Hope Clinic in Menasha to enhance our learning of additional community outreach services available to our families in need. The school district continues to partner with NAMI of the Fox Valley, Samaritan Counseling, and Catalpa Health. We offered mental health screening to every student K-12 last year in the school district. Our ascent numbers of students and parents allowing their students to take the screen are exemplary. The screen checks for anxiety, AODA, depression, and suicidal ideation. We ran middle school and high school campaigns with learning targets on resiliency, breaking the stigma, trusted adults, and kindness. We have mental health therapists in each of our buildings and a weekly student support group that runs off campus. That support group is for high school students. We have employees that are trained on youth mental health first aid, question, persuade, refer, and Youth Mental Health 101. If you have questions about your child, please do not hesitate to contact a school counselor about the process to refer a child to a mental health therapist through our E3 partnership. I want to thank our school board for their support of this program and our community for the support of the program, as it has been studied and replicated in Wisconsin and several other states. We are seeing positive growth in our youth risk behavior survey numbers related to suicidal ideation. Although we know there is much work to do, we are thankful for our partnerships with our community organizations. The Hortonville Area School District has adopted a continuous improvement plan that monitors core areas in learning and academics, financial stewardship and operational management, safe and orderly schools, as well as engagement and communications. There are key performance indicators in each core area which allow district leaders to identify celebrations and opportunities for improvement. This slide displays our key performance indicators and their percentage makeup for each of those core area scores. Each key performance indicator has a rubric to aid our work in areas for additional support or opportunities for improvement. There's a great deal of celebration in our data in each of our core areas, as well as indicators where we can continue to get better. We'll be sharing this information with local government leaders in September and October in the school district. Here's a property tax mill rate historical timeline from 1994 through 2018 in the Hortonville Area School District. This only incorporates the school district portion of the property tax cost, but it can be beneficial to see the timeline of the mill rate history in the district. We have growing communities in the school district. The school district encompasses portions of Hortonia, Ellington, Center, Grand Chute, Dale, Liberty, and all of Greenville and Hortonville. This slide shows from 1994 to 2018 the district's property value history. With growing communities comes growing enrollment. Our enrollment is growing through August 8th. The numbers that we currently have in the district office were up 130 students district-wide. Overall, our resident student population is growing, but so is our open enrollment surplus. Open enrollment is students from outside the district that attend Hortonville Area School District schools. The surplus of our open enrolled students in the district is 86, meaning we have 86 more students coming into the school district than we have leaving. Our current district enrollment as of August 8th is 4,134 children in the district. With a growing enrollment comes a look at our current facilities. So we asked MD Ruffers and gained approval for MD Ruffers to conduct a population study of the school district so we could analyze our facilities. That presentation was presented to our Board of Education in February. The population study took a look at our population from current time to 2035. Overall projections forecasted growth on both boundary sides of the school district. Overall, the study forecasted 45 to 50 new resident students each year for the next 15 years. The study did not project open enrolled students to the school district. Our surplus of open enrolled students seems to be growing each year. We are outpacing the projection for the 2019 to the 2020 academic year. The population study depicted individual school growth in our current facilities in the district. The full population study is available to the public on the school district website. There will be an exciting opportunity to have a community conversation in the future about space in the district. Some of the things that we're keeping our eye on moving into the future is our continued student population growth. With our population study comes a facility expansion analysis that will be reported out this fall, which is an analysis to see which buildings can be added onto in the school district. We know that retention of staff is essential to student learning, so we continue to study retention strategies that can be used to retain both our professional staff and support staff in the school district. We realize there's a national conversation happening on safety in public places, and that includes schools. I want to reassure our student body, our community, and our parents that we have teams of people trained in each of our buildings, building safety teams, medical emergency response teams, intervention teams, and trauma response teams, so that we can support a safe learning environment for students and people coming into our schools. We're excited. We've been able to add supports, direct supports for students. Several years ago, we added an additional district nurse for medical response, and we've added social workers in our school district to help students that may be coming from traumatic backgrounds, so we can provide direct supports to all of our students in the district. Please join me. Please join our school district in partnering for what we are excited and think is going to be a great academic journey this year. Thank you.